Welcome to InvestingRamp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. In this video, I'll share 4 principles I use to speed up the compounding magic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. I thought to share with you 4 principles I leverage to make the most of compounding magic. First is, start early, as time is the cornerstone of compounding growth. The earlier you start investing, the longer your money can grow and compound. Even small contributions started early can make a big difference over time. Principle 2 is stay invested for the long term. Start early and then stay invested is how you maximize time for compounding. Just stay consistent and be patient. Benefit of being a long-term investor comes from history. If you look back, statistically, the longer you stay invested, the higher your chances of positive and high returns as your portfolio has time to recover and compound. Third principle is reinvest dividends and earnings. Think of your portfolio as a snowball. As you push it down the slope, aka over time, reinvesting dividends turns into sticky snow underneath that keep your ball growing. Fourth principle is keep investing into chosen stocks and ETFs every month. Best is if you invest first and spend what's left. As Charlie Munger says, do not interrupt compounding unnecessarily. Help your snowball grow steadily. Check out my other video on dollar cost averaging. It's a way to make fixed dollar contributions every month, irrespective of what's happening on the market. This will boost your compounding to the next level. As a last word of advice to myself, more than to you, is to celebrate your achievements. First time you hit $50 in monthly dividend income, celebrate. When you hit 3.5% overall dividend yield, celebrate and enjoy the compounding ride. Check out my other investing videos. Subscribe to be notified when I upload another one. And as always, let the compounding force be with you.